What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
If anything, I tell parents, if you haven't started, start tonight. Put those cell phones away and start having conversations like Smile with Sarah does on her show. Same thing.
Thank you so much.
Smile with your kids every night and have a wonderful conversation with them every day, and you will build a very confident child with public speaking, because that's public speaking.
Assalamu alaikum. Once again, Sarah is back. आपके चेहरों पे थोड़ी सी स्माइल बिखेरने के लिए, and I'm sure आप लोग सेफ होंगे, 6 feet का डिस्टेंस मेंटेन कर रहे होंगे, अपने लिए भी और दूसरों के लिए भी. आपको पता है, Smile with Sarah always brings you something special. And today also, I was looking at this lady from a very long time because she was my Facebook friend. And I was really inspired by her. All the time, जब भी मैं इनकी story देखती थी, मेरा दिल करता था कि I should bring her on my show. And she's a busy lady, and थोड़ा सा I'll give you her profile. So, Renu Dhillon, Genius Kid 2001 August में she founded, okay, and became now in 2020 she has immensely grown up in Bay Area, and I think many more areas.
Right now, mainly in the Bay Area, we're getting ready to expand in other areas. But first of all, thank you for inviting me to your show. And you said salam alaikum, wa alaikum salam.
Okay, that's so nice. And one thing, because she was born in Kenya, right?
Correct.
And her education was in UK, so she can't speak Urdu much. She is from Punjab, India. So
I'm actually from Kenya, but I speak Punjabi, yes.
Punjabi.
Yeah, but I think the Urdu language is so beautiful, and I really hope someday I will learn it.
Okay.
I thoroughly enjoy, my favorite pastime is watching Pakistani serials because of the language being so beautiful.
Oh, so thank you. Thank you very much. So, she has earned so many awards. Kamal ke inhone awards kiye, uske alawa sales, marketing, developing, curriculums इन्होंने 4,000 से ऊपर curriculums इन्होंने बनाए, जो कि और उसके अलावा non-profit women and children organizations में भी she is the part. And being a lady and in this age getting so much immensely popular is a great thing. TV host, radio host, and also being invited as speakers in many social forums. And I think recently she was recognized at House of London, right?
House of Lords in London, that's right. Wow. Absolutely. I spoke there as well, yes.
Exactly. And also selected from thousands of businesses by Time Warner and
Correct.
CNNmoney.com. Wow, what a profile. Really impressed.
Thank you.
और अभी आपकी एक book आई है, How to Raise Your Kids Confidently.
वो आ रही है. That's coming on October 6th. The first book I co-authored with someone else. So there were several authors that got together. That was called Break Free to Stand in Your Power. That came out in May. And मेरी अपनी book, the one that I've written myself, वो आ रही है October 6th.
अरे wow, wonderful. So अब सारी ladies देख रही हैं, बल्कि मैं तो कहूँगी जो males भी देख रहे हैं, अब आप अपनी success story हमारे साथ share करें, like how you started के आपका पहले था Subway की आप franchise करते थे, right?
Correct. So I grew up in Kenya, and parents who never believed in separation between boy and girl, treated equally always. Wow. And फिर मैं गई, I went to England, वहाँ मैंने पढ़ाई किया, and then I became a pharmacist. So the intention of getting into education was never there. My father's a doctor, so I was going to pursue a medical field. फिर शादी होगी, naturally वही होता है, right? पढ़ाई करके फिर सब बोल रहे शादी करो
Exactly.
and मेरा मन नहीं था कि मैं शादी करूं, but हो गया शादी. बहुत बड़ी गलती सी, शादी तो बहुत बड़ी गलती हुई, but फिर भी गलती से मुझे दो बहुत अच्छे बच्चे मिले, so चलो गलती नहीं है फिर.
Exactly, गलती नहीं है.
So I look at it as I don't look at it, even though people say it's a mistake, I look at it as just my experience in life. I got two beautiful children from there. So when I moved here and I got married and moved here, I didn't continue in pharmacy. So my first husband was in the subway business. So I joined him and we grew tremendously. We went basically from 3 subways in the Bay Area to 300 in 4 years.
Wow.
So मैंने बहुत hard work किया, बहुत contribute किया. But the one advice I will give everybody, especially the mothers who raise their girls, I was raised to believe that everybody is honest. वही हम believe करते हैं, right? कि सब लोग honest है, सच बोलना है, because that's what we've learned. And बहुत बुरा experience हुआ because यहाँ आके, I saw my parents till now, God bless them, they've been married 63 years and still so much in love. तो हमको लगा इतने movies देखे बड़े होके, इतने क्या है, राजेश खन्ना के movie देखे, इतने movies देखे, हमको लगा कि हमारा भी ऐसी होगा fairy tale wedding. हाँ,
exactly.
बिल्कुल नहीं, मेरा तो horror story था बिल्कुल. And but I never went and made the effort to learn about the laws or anything, Sarah. So फिर क्या हुआ, when the divorce started, he used to make me sign all kinds of documents which I trusted as my husband that I'm okay. But in actual fact, what I had done is basically signed off everything and I had nothing. So jab isne when he decided to leave, he took everything with him. So I did not even get one subway. Kuch nahi mila. And at that time, the Indian marriages were not recognized. You had to have your court marriage. So my court marriage happened 2 years after my Indian marriage because of immigration and whatever.
Yeah.
So for that reason, everything was evaluated as separate property. So when he decided to leave, I basically got put on the roadside with my 2 children and started my life from there. It was a big blow because you grow up, वो feeling होता है कि आपका husband है,
protect करेगा, तो अनु protect करेगा,
look after. I never want कि मुझे कोई financially look after me like that, but फिर भी trust होता है, right?
Trust भी होता है.
तो भरोसा सब टूट गया after that. I felt very violated. यहाँ कोई community help नहीं था. At that time, we're talking 30 years ago, there was nobody you could call. And even now, I strongly believe that the community, unfortunately, is all about money and power.
Exactly.
And when it comes to women, they look at us as if we're the weaker gender. And he had become very powerful in his business. So जहाँ मैं जाती थी to ask for help, उसको सीधा phone call आता था कि आप ये help मांग रही है. तो मुझे फिर straight कभी court order मिलता था, कभी कुछ. तो बहुत मुश्किल था, किसी ने support नहीं किया. तो मैंने उस टाइम मैंने डिसाइड किया बस हो गया, अभी ये मिस्टेक रिपीट नहीं करना है. अभी we are going to become financially strong myself.
Wow.
And I'm never going to rely on anybody, especially a man, ever, for giving me the life that I want for myself and my children. वो मैंने एक वादा किया to myself that is never going to happen.
And you always say anything is possible.
Anything is possible. But the thing is, you have to stick to your guns, So if you've made a decision, क्या होता है, we as women, we become very emotional, right?
Yes.
बहुत लोग ने मुझे कहा कि इतना पैसा था हमारे पास, आप वापस जाओ इसके पास. So what if he's having an affair? ठीक है, कुछ नहीं है, आप उसको माफ कर दो. अपनी self-respect होती है, right? Self-respect is more important than anything. I said, no, why do I need him? I don't need him to put a roof over my head. I will do this myself. And this time I'll do it where nobody will tell me to get out of the house because it'll be my house.
Wow.
It'll be my home, my business, my house, my children. That's what I'm going to establish. And I made myself that commitment and I've never looked back. Never looked back. And I suggest to every woman, I'm not saying marriage is not beautiful. Marriage is a beautiful relationship when you find the right person. And it's a mutual understanding. जितने तक वो trust नहीं होता है, mutual understanding नहीं होता है, it's not something that anybody wants to get into.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So, mashallah, now how many आपकी कितनी branches हैं अब?
हमारे Genius Kids अभी 35 हो गए. And we're getting ready to expand. So actually before then, after my divorce, I did many things. I couldn't go right into Genius Kids because investment पैसे नहीं था. पहला तो 12 साल लगे to get my बच्चे in court. यहाँ बहुत लंबे चौड़े court battles होते हैं. So in between that मैंने बहुत कुछ किया. I worked in skincare. I went back into my pharmacy, worked in skincare. फिर हमने marriage dating agency भी खोला, marriage bureau, वो भी बहुत successful था. I needed to work from home because मेरे बच्चे बहुत छोटे थे. And then when they got a little older, फिर I remarried. I met a very old friend from Kenya, remarried. And then after that, we both decided to open Genius Kids. Fair. That's when we decided to do it.
So then now, then you can say you have a fairy tale wedding now, right? Rajesh Khanna.
No, I don't call it Rajesh Khanna. I became a very practical person in my life.
Okay.
And I decided that I'm not looking for a husband. I'm looking for a life partner. I like to use the word life partner. I don't like the word husband. Life partner, companion, best friend. That's who I'm married to now. I'm married to my best friend.
Oh, wow. Because the husband looks like somebody is like in hold of you, in charge of you.
Correct.
Right?
I don't like that word. I don't like the word spouse or whatever. I like the word life partner.
Wow.
We're going to go on this journey together. And
Beautiful.
we are going to, there are compromises that have to be made,
Wow.
But that is, I should not have to settle for anything less and he should not have to settle for anything less. But we still have to compromise and make sure we can adjust. And that journey has been a wonderful journey. And I remarried in 1997. And then we opened Genius Kids in 2001. And it's never looked back. And the whole family works in the business now. The 2 daughters. My husband, myself, we all, it's a family operation. It's not something I've done myself.
Exactly. Together, आपको वो फल मिलता है. Together, group effort.
Yes, correct. Absolutely.
So wonderful, So आप अब जो आजकल हैं young mothers, आप उन्हें क्या कहेंगी? How to raise their kids confidently? Because, mobile सब बच्चों के हाथ में है. That is very sad, तो इसके लिए आप क्या, what will you say?
So going back, if I look back at, there's pros and cons to everything. When I was growing up, Sarah, वहाँ तो सारा time पढ़ाई करी जाओ, right? Just study.
कुछ और नहीं.
कुछ और नहीं, पढ़ाई होता है, and then you had extracurricular activities. But at least we got to play outside. Exactly. At least we grew up in safe environments, right? But the pressure of academics was always there.
Yeah.
So learning from that, I mean, I think academics is important. But you shouldn't make it to the point where your child is stressed. Every child is different. Even within a family, my 2 daughters are so different,
Yeah.
So you cannot say, how can a same mother raise 2 kids? Same food, same khana, same house, same mother.
Same, exactly.
2 different personalities.
Yeah.
So what happens is you have to look at each child and you have to develop what they're good for. What is within their talents. Okay. So I always say, awaken their inner genius. But if I were to give one advice to parents, I would tell them the most important thing you can give your child, the gift, is confidence. With confidence, then comes public speaking. But without confidence, it doesn't matter. Your personal life will suffer, your professional life, your social life, because you will just always lack confidence in yourself. Okay. So stop comparing your children with relatives, with each other. Like maybe you have a son or a daughter who's smarter than the other child. Stop comparing. You have to treat every single person like a unique gift. And then most importantly, become friends with your child. In this environment today, parents are too busy making money and they give children their mobiles and their iPads and nobody actually has conversation. Like you and I having a conversation.
Exactly.
How many parents sit and do this with their children? They don't.
And kids also don't want this, right?
Well, the kids do, but the parents don't give them that chance because what is it? It's just the way this country is. You come here, you get married. After the romance is over, then you start, both are working. Now what happens? The family starts and the bills come. And now you become obsessed with wanting a bigger house, bigger car, more money. And what happens? The kids get neglected. So spend quality time with them. If you're going to have children, then you have to invest time in them. And time does not mean money. Investing time means conversations.
Okay.
And talk to your child. Get to know who your child is. And you shouldn't be your child's parent. You should become their coach. That's what my book is about. My book is about stop being a parent all the time. You need to be a parent in some ways, khana, pina, all the stuff. That's what we do as parents. But what else are you going to give? Become your child's guide. Become your child's coach. Become your child's best friend and develop them just like you would develop a business. help them grow within themselves.
Nurture them.
Nurture them. And
Yes.
when you do that, you will establish a lifetime relationship.
Yes.
I have a beautiful relation with my parents. I still respect them. I mean, my father's in his 90s. I know what I can say and what I cannot say. वो भी
Yes.
होता है. Discipline भी होता है. Even at the age of 60, I know what my limits are. But when I can talk to him freely,
Yeah.
and that is so important. You
Yeah.
must have that relationship with your parent. That you, even if you've done something wrong, they should be the first people you go to. गलती हम सब गलतियां करते हैं,
बिल्कुल,
right? सब,
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
सब बच्चे लोग बहुत कुछ ट्राई करते हैं लाइफ में. Why do you want to be the parent to find it out from another parent? Your child should come home to you and say, मैंने ये गलती किया, अभी क्या करूं? And instead of, हम क्या करते, थप्पड़ मार के, shout करके,
हमारे
ऐसे
देसी
क्यों किया?
parents.
हाँ, देसी पेरेंट्स. आपने ऐसे क्यों किया? You took after. Who did you take after? हमारी फैमिली में ऐसे कोई है ही नहीं. हम ऐसे
बिल्कुल.
बोलते हैं, right?
बिल्कुल.
गलत है. गलत है.
That's
You kill the confidence of a child. You
Exactly.
kill their self-esteem. There is a reason why, children are like that. And don't always think that your child is happy. You should learn to look behind the smile and see what's going on in their life.
Wow.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
You have to learn.
And
to-
also one thing in our Desi parents, they just focus, mother has to do all of it. But I think both parents, right?
Both. It takes both. It takes, you have to both be involved. You
Yes.
can't just say, oh, the father is the breadwinner and the mother. No, both have
Yeah.
to be involved. And both you have to have a plan of action. I mean, your child needs to understand that if I'm going to, my actions, there will be consequences for my action.
Exactly.
गलती करनी है, तो punishment मिलेगा. But punishment इतना कि जबरदस्त लोग बोलते एक महीना बाहर नहीं जाना है. क्यों एक महीना? I mean,
हाँ.
बैठ के पूछो गलती क्यों किया? पता करो कि गलती क्यों किया, right?
बिल्कुल,
And you can't say as a parent, because don't do it because I told you so.
Yes.
वे तो वे बच्चा सोचते हैं, why not? Let me find out why is it that she doesn't want me to do it.
Exactly.
So explain करो, right? Smoke
बिल्कुल.
नहीं करने तो explain करो, smoke क्यों नहीं करने,
बिल्कुल.
right? Drugs नहीं लेने तो explain करो. Not ऐसे उसके साथ बात नहीं करें, वो drugs देते तो आप भी नहीं बात कर सकते हो. You are now
हाँ.
going to create a rebellious situation.
Exactly.
Explain करो बच्चे लोग को. And
That's-
at every age,
Yes, yes.
It's
Kid is a
everything,
kid for you, even
Yeah.
I think in 20s also, right? If he's in 20s or she.
Absolutely. Doesn't matter. It's all the time, starting from the time they're little. And that's one of the things I see in my school, Sari. A child will come and they'll throw themselves on the ground if they can't do something, and the mummy will pull out a bag and quickly give them the cell phone, or instead of saying, calming the child down and distracting them.
So
And
आपकी policy क्या है? आपके genius kids में आपकी policy क्या है?
बात करो बच्चे लोग के साथ. कोई किसी बच्चे ने स्पिट किया, क्यों स्पिट किया, राइट? ऐसे नहीं कि टाइम आउट का क्या फायदा है? कोई कभी टाइम आउट, अच्छा बच्चे वांट टाइम आउट सो दे कैन
Yeah.
सिट अलोन. नो,
Yeah.
हम टाइम आउट नहीं देते. हम पूछते क्यों किया ऐसे, बोलो. एंड एक्सप्लेन करो कि फॉर एग्जांपल स्पिटिंग इज फिल्थी. एक्सप्लेन
Yeah.
करो जर्म्स है, ऐसे नहीं करना है, एंड देन मेक देम क्लीन इट. मैं क्या साफ क्यों, यू स्पिट, यू क्लीन.
Oh.
You
That's-
throw your food on the floor, you pick it up and clean it. You
Oh.
have to learn responsibility.
Yeah.
And what happens is, I mean, I'm shocked sometimes. I get parents at my school, 4-year-old will not be potty trained, 4-year-old doesn't know how to eat with a spoon because mummy is still spoon feeding.
Yes.
Why? Teach them independence, teach them little steps, but help them grow. Don't overprotect. इतना नहीं करना कि इतना overprotection के वो बच्चा
बिल्कुल.
कुछ करता ही नहीं.
करता ही नहीं है.
हाँ.
बिल्कुल.
Yeah.
मेरा ख्याल है you have the oldest school system in Fremont, and I think you're.
I think I don't want to put claim to that, but I do know that when it comes to the kind of philosophies that we
Yeah.
started, Sarah,
Exactly.
public speaking, communication, after
Exactly.
school, we started it. Yeah.
Yeah.
And now there are all kinds of people that I always call
so
them
many people.
want to be genius kids, but
Yeah.
we are the original
Genius Kids is also one. Only one, Renault Dillons, right?
That's
And
right,
now
yeah.
the Dillon sisters are also working together with you.
Yes, the Dillon sisters, daughters are in the business, and
Wow.
the husband is too. And yeah, it's great. Yeah,
This is
and
so
my grandkids
wonderful.
come to school too.
Wow. So it was wonderful having you, और बहुत कुछ आप मैसेज देती जाएं बे एरिया के लिए, बल्कि पाकिस्तान, इंडिया, all over the world जहां आपका प्रोग्राम देखा जाएगा. Any message?
My message is, I mean, I'm very proud to be Indian. I believe that we're all Indian. I grew up in a country where I never knew the difference between a Hindu or a Muslim or a Sikh.
Yeah.
I'm a Sikh. I never knew that difference. And I have raised my children to believe in the same. In actual fact, I went to a Catholic school for 11 years and an Islamic school for 6 years. So I've had a mixture of it all.
Wow.
All of it. And I say to parents that, let's remove all these barriers of religion, of racism, of colorism. Let's teach our children how to be good humans and good citizens.
Exactly.
And when you give them good values, you're going to set your child for life, for success, because success is not, you don't carry your degree around. I don't carry my degree around or my awards around. It's me as a person. Your person, your character is going to end up becoming your resume. Your character ends up becoming a reflection of who you are, and your children will copy who you are. So be careful how you behave, because your children will begin to mirror image you.
Especially husband wife together.
Anything.
Yeah.
And I don't claim to be an expert, but I think over the last 20 years of what I've put together, and I've raised many of my students, thanks to social media, look for me, and they're in college, and they always thank me for confidence and communication. So I think, if anything, I tell parents, if you haven't started, start tonight. Put those cell phones away and start having conversations like Smile with Sarah does on her show.
Thank you so much.
Smile with your kids every night and have a wonderful conversation with them every day, and you will build a very confident child with public speaking, because that's public speaking when you do that.
Especially the new 2-3 years kid you take, up 2-3 साल के
From
बच्चों
infants, as soon as they start walking, उसके हाथ में microphone डाल दो, उसको सिखाओ, confidence सिखाओ,
और
public
आप लोगों की
speaking सिखाओ.
एज के Genius Kid में what is the age?
Infants, 3 months all the way through to age 12.
Wow. So जो सुन रहे हैं, आपने सुन ली कितनी confident and जबरदस्त किस्म की personality है behind it. So definitely आपके साथ वो करेंगे. And you have a portal also, right? आप बताएंगे उसका
Yes,
नाम?
I do. So it's geniuskidsonline.com is the portal for the business. And my website now for my book should be out in 30 days. And that's missrenu.com. And Renu is spelled with 2 N's, R-E-N-N-U.
Okay. And it Amazon पे भी available होगी.
My book will be available on Amazon. If you just type in Renu Dillon into Amazon, it'll pull up. Yes. And you can even go to my site now and put in your email so you get updates on the book.
Okay.
And I also have a YouTube channel. I do a lot of blogs for parenting on that. So feel free to go to that too. It's same Renu Dillon on YouTube as well.
With 2 N's.
Always 2 N's.
Always 2 N's.
Yes.
Anything for my Smile with Sarah. I started my YouTube channel. I
think it's fabulous because you're having conversations with people, and I think it is so important for us to highlight everybody.
Issues.
For me, everybody's a celebrity. I don't think you need to come from each and every one of us has a unique quality within ourselves, and you have to be able to find that quality and exhibit your qualities. And I think you're giving that opportunity in that platform, and I hope that people will support you, and everybody should support each other. So I definitely will. I definitely will go subscribe to your channel immediately, and will definitely join your program.
Thank you so much. Once again, thanks for joining me. Okay.
Welcome anytime.
Best of luck for your projects and for your book.
Thank you, Sarah. Thank you so much.
Take care. Bye. Bye.